Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting parts of literature, the short story. What is a short story? A short story is a type of fiction. It's made up by the author, but it reflects real-life experiences. Since it only has a few characters and a limited setting, you can read it in just one sitting. Every short story has elements that make it work. We have the plot, setting, characters, conflict, point of view, and theme. These are the building blocks of any story. Characters are the ones who bring the story to life. They can be people, animals, or even objects that talk or act like humans. Without characters, there would be no story to tell. The setting tells us where and when the story happens. It could be in a small town, in the past, the present, or even in the future. The plot is simply what happens in the story. It's the chain of events from the start to the middle and all the way to the ending. Conflict is the problem in the story. This struggle makes the story interesting. It could be a fight between characters, a battle against nature, against society, or even an inner struggle inside the character's mind. Point of view tells us who is narrating the story. It could be first person, where the narrator says I or we. Second person, which directly uses you. Or third person, where the narrator tells the story using he, she, or they. The theme is the heart of the story. It's the main idea or lesson. For example, in many stories, the theme could be about love, friendship, courage, or the value of family. When we analyze a short story, we don't focus on the author's life or history. Instead, we look at the story itself. This is called structural analysis. We examine the elements and how they work together. Even though we can identify each element one by one, remember that they all blend together to make the story unique. Think of them like puzzle pieces that form one big picture.